What's going on, everybody? 3G Bricks here. So I was able to get the first floor done of the hotel, and I gotta say, it looks really cool. I'm especially pleased with how the front area turned out for the pool area, and how the trellis looks, so when people can sit down on the benches. I got the wooden trellis that goes all the way around, and then this is the start of the front door, or the main entrance, with the columns that come up the front. And I got another bench right here. People can sit on the side. And then some more on this side with the two columns coming down. So all in all, this whole floor, the first floor's got 1,038 pieces. And it's got 2 doors on the front. It can be opened, as well as the doors on this side. And then here is what it looks like on the inside from the top down. I really like how those round tiles make the floor look like it has some design instead of just square tiles. And how the trellis actually gives it some sort of lighting features. I'm really pleased with how this turned out on this side here. So yeah, this is just the first floor of the main hotel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.